Hello, my name is Roland Poor, and on behalf of my team, I'm going to be speaking about Volkswagen information security. As newer cars get smarter, so does the newer criminals. Cybersecurity are now able to remotely control steering, acceleration, and brakes. A security measure had to be put in place to be able to prevent these criminals from accessing these features as the person drives the car. Volkswagen is Cymotive cybersecurity company. VM teamed up with the Israelite information security company called Cymotive to build up a top-notch security expert team to address the challenges posed by malware, adware, ransomware, and spyware. It was recently disclosed that there was a way to clone VW5 for any model that was made anywhere from 2000 to 2016. And that's my segment of information security.